So I'm going to explain to you factorization by splitting the middle term. This is question number 4, if you see, of exercise 2.4. So the question is this: 12x square minus 7x plus 1, right? 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So these questions are based on a method which is called factorization by splitting the middle term. Okay, splitting the middle term. Now, why do we call it splitting the middle term? Because this middle term is focus here. The first number and the last number will remain as it is, only the middle term is split. Okay, now how do we split this middle term? Look at the technique. We have to multiply the first number and the last number, right? Multiply the first and the last. So when you multiply the first and the last, you get a product that is 12x square into 1, that is 12x square, right? So you're multiplying the first and last, you're getting this. And the number at the center is the sum, that is minus 7x. The number at the center is the sum minus 7x. So you have to think of two numbers which on multiplying, that is the product, will give me 12x square. And when you add, you will get negative 7x. आपको दो नंबर सोचना है जो मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 12 आएगा और ऐड करने पे -7. So 12 कैसे कैसे आ सकते हैं? जैसे 2 into 6 is 12, but 2 and 6 together will not give you 7. 4 and 3 is 12, and 4 and 3 is also 7, right? 4 3 is 12 when you multiply. When you add 4 and 3, you will get negative 7. Like this, we have to think about two numbers. So what are my factors? My factors are, okay, I want -7. So if I take positive 4 and positive 3, that will give me positive 7. So my factors are minus 4x and minus 3x. Ye mere factors hai. Now this is going to be written as 12x square. The middle term we will split as minus 4x minus 3x plus 1 as it is. So the first and last number I'm writing as it is. The middle term minus 7x I have split into minus 4 and minus 3. The reason I told you, because I want two numbers which on multiplying will give me 12 and on adding will give me negative 7. So minus 4 and minus 3, when I multiply this, I'll get positive 12. When I add minus 4 and minus 3, I'll get minus 7. Okay. Now you will take common in the first and the second. So what is common here? 4x. 12 or 4 may 4 common. X square or x may x common. So 4x is common. 4 goes how many times in 12? 3 times. And we have already taken out x. So reh gaya yahan pe 3x. And 4x is already out. So you will get minus 1. So 4x common liya. First and second may. So you will get 4x common, 3x minus 1. And here nothing is common, but 1 is always common in everything. I can take negative 1 common. So you're going to get 3x. And I should get positive here. So minus 1. So when you open the bracket, you should get back the same thing. Minus 3x, minus and minus plus 1. And remember, these two brackets should be same. So we will write this as 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. So these are my factors. So this is called splitting the middle term, right? Same way here, we have second part, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. This has to be done by splitting the middle term. So I'm trying the second part here. So multiply the first number and the last number. 2x square into 3. The product is coming 6x square, right? And the number at the center is 7x. So add करने पे 7 आना चाहिए, multiply करने पे 6. So which are those two numbers? कौन से ऐसे दो numbers है जो multiply करने पे 6 आएगा, add करने पे 7 आएगा? You have to think of that. So when you multiply 6, 3 2s are 6 होते हैं, लेकिन 3 and 2 will not give you a sum of 7. So what can be the number? The numbers are 6 and 1, isn't it? 6 into 1 6 होता है और 6 plus 1 7 होता है. तो आपके factors होंगे 6x and 1x. Factors will be 6x and 1x. So 2x square will remain as it is plus 7x है यहाँ पे. So I'm going to write this as 6x plus 1x plus 3. So remember, first and last number, there is no change. It will remain as it is. The 7x, we will break it up into 6x plus 1x. Now we will take common. Up 2 or 6 में common क्या है? 2. Here there is an x square and x, so x is common. So if 2x is removed, 1x is remaining here. 2 goes how many times in 6? 3 times. And x is already removed. X is already taken out. So 2x common, x plus 3. Plus Here nothing is common. Nothing is common means 1 is common. 1 निकाल लिया तो यहाँ रह गया x and 1 goes 3 times. So as I told you, the brackets have to be same. अगर bracket same नहीं है इसका मतलब आपका factorization गलत है. So we get x plus 3 common. So what is left here is 2x and what is left here is 1. So x plus 3, 2x plus 1. So this will be the answer for the second part. Now we go on to the third part. The third part is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. This is our third part. Now when I multiply the first and the last part, the product is minus 36x square. Okay, in दोनों को multiply किया first and last. And when I add, I should get the number at the center, that is 5x. So multiply करने पे minus 36, add करने पे 5. So what factors will give you 36 on multiplying, and then adding will give you 5. So you have to spend some time and see कि 36 कैसे कैसे आता है. 12 3s are 36 होता है, फिर 9 4s are 36 होता है, 2 into 18 36 होता है. So all those factors जो fit आता है वो क्या है, 9 and 4, because 9 into 4 is 36 and 9 minus 4 is 5. Right? So these are the factors, 9x and minus 4x. Right? 9 minus 4 5 आ जाएगा, or 9 into minus 4 minus 36. So first number 6x square as it is, plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. See, the first and last I have written as it is. The middle term I have split into 9x minus 4x. Now what is common in 6 and 9 is 3. And x square and x में common हो गया x. So if I take 3 common, I am left with 2x. Right? Because there is an x square. So I've taken out x. And 3 goes how many times in 9? 3 times. So I will get 3x, 2x plus 3. Now 4 and 6 में क्या common है? 2 is common. So there's a negative in both. So I'll take minus 2 out. So if I take minus 2 out, what is left here is 2x. And if I take out minus 2 out, 2 goes how many times in 6? 3 times. So this will be plus 3. Because when I open this, I should get back this. Now see, the brackets are same. That means our factorization is correct. So 2x plus 3 bahar aa gaya because that's common. And what is left here is 3x minus 2. So answer will be 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. So you can do this third part like this. Now we come to the fourth part. 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 4. Multiply the first and the last term. The product is 3 into 4 minus 12x square. When you add, you have to get the number at the center, that is minus x. Right? So you have to think of two numbers which will give you multiply on 12. Think of two numbers. दो numbers ऐसे जो multiply करने पे 12 है, add करने पे minus x. So multiply करने पे 12 आपका possibility क्या है? 6 2s are 12 है और 4 3s are 12 है. 6 and 2 will not give you this minus 1x, but 4 and 3 will give me. So minus 4x and plus 3x will be the factors, because minus 4 into positive 3 आपका minus 12 आ जाएगा और minus 4 plus 3 आपका negative 1 आ जाएगा. There is no number here, that means it is minus 1x, right? So the first number 3x square will remain as it is. इसका splitting करेंगे तो ये आएगा minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Right? I am splitting this. I am writing the factors as minus 4x and plus 3x. So x common लेंगे तो ये आएगा 3x minus 4 plus 1 common लेंगे 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 common आ गया. So I'm going to take 3x minus 4 common. So what is left is x plus 1. So answer for this will be 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. So this whole method by which we have factorized is called factorization by splitting the middle term.